Vanita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Vanita and today I will show you how to make potato and goat curry. So let's get started. I've got here some hot water, 2 kilos of goat meat which I have washed and rinsed well, 3 medium potatoes which I have peeled, chopped and soaked it in some water, salt to taste, 6 cloves of grated garlic, 5 tablespoons of oil, 4 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 medium onion which I have chopped, 1 large chili which I have minced, or you can use 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds, and 2 sprigs of curry leaves which I have chopped. Place a pot on medium heat, add oil and heat it. Add cumin and mustard seeds, give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. Add onions and curry leaves. Give it a mix and cook it until the onions get a light brown color. Add ginger and garlic. Give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. Add goat meat, turmeric, curry powder, chilies, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix and cook it for 5 minutes, stirring it twice. After 5 minutes, add enough hot water to cover the meat, depending on how much curry soup or surah you want. Give it a mix, cover it, increase the heat and bring it to a boil. When it starts to boil, give it a mix, put the lid back on, leaving a small gap, lower the heat and cook it for 30 minutes, stirring it twice. After 30 minutes, give it a mix, taste your salt and check to see if the meat is tender. My meat is tender and it just needs a little bit more salt. You can always add salt according to your taste. After adding salt, give it a mix, drain the water from the potatoes and add it to the curry. Give it a mix, put the lid back on, leaving a small gap and cook it for 20 minutes or until the potatoes are tender. After 20 minutes, check to see if the potatoes are cooked. Once the potatoes are cooked, give it a mix, turn the heat off and let me dish it out and show you. The potato and goat curry is ready and you can serve it with roti, puri or rice. Enjoy! If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.